Good morning. Welcome to another episode with the Good Deal Guy. I want to show you guys this real quick, but before I jump in, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. That way you can see all my new reviews. So these are my new, I don't know if I said the name right, DUDAO, but I think it's DUDAO. It's actually a brand name in Asia, I guess, but I've been selling their headphones, I've been selling their power banks, I've been selling their cell phone holders and cell phone chargers, and all I hear was amazing feedback. I had one of my customers I was talking to last week, and he just pulled it out of his pocket. He's like, yeah, I bought this for me last Christmas. So like almost a year before, and he still has it and they work amazing. But we're gonna do an unboxing and see what's in the box quick, okay? So this is DUDAO U4N, and let's check it out. So it comes with a manual in the box. These are actually wireless charging capability. So if you have one of those wireless chargers, you can set them down. They don't come with a charging cord, but for my customers, I include the charging cord as well, because not all my customers have wireless charging. Most people do, but if you don't have one, don't worry, it comes with a cord. Let's check it out. They are actually really nice. Just to give you an idea, guys, these are my AirPod Pro Apple ones, okay? And these are my DUDAOs. Now if you look, they're actually the same size. Okay? Now if you didn't see the brand, I couldn't tell which one is the Apple one, which one is my DUDAO. Okay, unless you look at the back side, and this one says DUDAO and this one has Apple trademarks or whatever that is. Okay, but let's try this real quick. Now this one here, the Apple ones, I think I bought for my wife. I don't know if it was Business Depot or Costco, because she needed one for work and it had to be Apple. It was like expensive. It was like 250 bucks or something like that, plus the tax. They're not cheap. These ones, on the other hand, they are only $40. They're amazing, you know, for kids back to school, or if you need them for your work. They're great for like listening to music. They're great for talking on the phone. Okay, so let's plug this with my phone and let's check them out. Take them out at the same time. Settings, connections, Bluetooth. U4N, perfect. Let's pair this. Yes. Now listen to something on Spotify. Oops, I'm not logged in with my Spotify on this phone, so let's just go to YouTube. And let's go here. Hip hop. See what comes up. Now, let's try these bad boys. They actually sound good. Let me turn the volume up. They actually sound really good. And they're touch control, so hold on. I think it's here. I gotta find a spot here. Okay, so it's right here, right on the side here. So you can push it to play the music, or you can answer the phone. They actually sound really nice. And they also have test. So if you're using Siri or if you're using Google, then you can touch it and you can ask Google for a map, or you can do voice commands. Super cool. Again, some people like these ones, the brand names, and they're like $200, $300. But if you want to actually save a couple of bucks and you want to get a really good headphone for you or for the kids, I would totally suggest this. They look good, they sound good. The kids don't feel left out. It's not like they have some headphones from 1999. They're up to date, they're 2024, and they get the job done. And they're gonna last you. And you know what? Kids lose things, kids break things. You know, if I don't have kids, but if my kids had one of these things and they lost it, I'd be very upset. This one, if they lost it or somebody steals it or whatever, it won't break your pocket, it won't break your heart. You can buy another one or whatever, right? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, if you're new in the channel again, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe. Make sure you share with your friends to support the channel. And thank you for watching.